Welcome back, stylers. Thank you for joining me today. And a special welcome to my latest batch of new subscribers. Thank you very much for joining me. Your subscription tells me you find value here, and it also tells me that you want to be a permanent part of what goes on here at RJ's HomeStyle. I also want to say a special hello to Michelle S. Hi, Michelle. Michelle's my super fan. Michelle has, I believe, pretty much commented on every video that I've ever published here, and I enjoy that interaction with her. She has inspired me. I've also come up with ideas based upon our conversations and comments with each other, and you can do the same. Like these videos, share these videos, but most importantly, comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Let's inspire each other, because that's really what I'm trying to do here, is share what I like, share what I do, and inspire you to do the same. But you can share your ideas with me by letting me know in the comments section below. All right, let's get on with it, shall we? I'm not really that big on Halloween. However, I have one Halloween project for you. It's just something that came up one day, and I thought, let me see if I can put this to the test, and I definitely have, I think, proven that I can. And what I'm presenting with you, for you today, is what I call your animated skeleton Halloween display. Let's take a look. And here's where the magic happens. It is simply one of these rotating battery-operated bases. This is one's about 3-inch diameter. You can get these mostly on Amazon. They're not that expensive at all. I like to use these to rotate certain decor pieces, especially seasonal pieces in my home during the holidays. Battery-operated. And you just simply have one of those, and then by creating this, you end up with a wonderful dead couple dancing forever. The actual base that the skeletons are standing on, I used foam sheet. You can get that at the DollarTree. This foam sheet actually has a glitter side to it, which I got this at Michael's, and it is simply just a circle portion cut out, which is the same diameter as the bottom of the base, and then a strip of the foam to then go around and create this. And because I wanted it equally in height, where I could adorn it with these arms, I had to make it a little bit taller than the actual base itself. But I took care of that problem by simply taking a used spool from some ribbon and gluing that up in there like that, which of course makes their little dance floor a little bit more firmer, and that simply covered the base perfectly. And there you have it. I then took the skeletons and I clipped their bones and just hot glued them into a dancing position of a waltz, and as I said, there you have it. Dead corpse couple, totally forever locked in a beautiful dance of the death. And this is your Halloween inspirational decor for 2020. Happy Halloween. Thanks for joining me.
For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.